TrueMate Micro Weaker Hardness Tester Model MST1000T. Touch screen display, digital eyepiece, Japanese Omron, with two objective 40x and 100x having magnification 400x and 100x respectively, auto turret, with load capacity 1 kg to 10 gram. On touch screen display, previous hardness value will be also displayed. There is a statistical calculation in which user can see the average value, minimum value, maximum value, standard deviation and the range. Then conversion in different scans are also available for Rockwell, Bernal, Noob, etc. There is an option for setup in which a user can select different options, like user can use this machine in both mode, weaker and noob. Then there is a option for dwell time selection, conversion to different hardness. Force can be seen in both units, kgf and newton. Then there is a function to set the limit, date time, and there is also optional weight 2 kg is available with a special machine. Mini printer is also available with this machine, through which a user can take the printout of the hardness result. Operation of this machine is very simple. User firstly need to select the desired load. After that need to focus the component. When the component is focused, user need to press the start button available on the machine. Turret will rotate automatically and take the indentation. After the beep sound, diagonal will automatically appear on the screen. User need to measure the diagonal with the help of digital eyepiece. Firstly need to measure the x-axis of the diagonal by moving firstly left hand side, after that right hand side. After measuring the x-axis diagonal, user need to press the button available on the eyepiece. Value of D1 will be locked there, then cursor will goes to D2. After that, user need to rotate the eyepiece at 90 degree and need to measure the y-axis of the diagonal. Similarly, like x-axis, y-axis of the diagonal will be measured. After measuring the y-axis of the diagonal, press the button again. After pressing the y-axis diagonal, automatically appear on the display, and the conversion value will be also shown at the same time. So this is the function of our touchscreen micro weaker hardness tester. For any inquiry, you can mail us at our mail ID sales@truemate.in. Thank you.